Minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to my first video. I am Yuya Sensei, and for today, I will teach you how to say numbers in Malay language and Japanese language. Ja, hajimemashou ka. Let's start. For number 1, in Malay, we say satu, satu, ichi. Ichi. Tu, dua, dua. Ni, ni. Three, tiga, tiga. San, san. Four, empat, empat. Yon, yon number is number 5. In Malay, we call them lima, lima. And then in Japanese, it is go, go. For number 6, enam, enam. Roku, roku. For number 7, in Malay, we call it as number 7, 7. Nana, nana. Number 8, 8, 8. Hachi, hachi. Number 9, 9, 9. Q, Q. Just remember number 9 look like Q. So the sound in Japanese is Q. Number 10 is 10 in Malay. 10. In Japanese, it is called as ju, ju. Number 100, in Malay we call it as 100, 100, 100. In Japanese, it is hyaku, hyaku, hyaku. Or if 1000, we call it 1000, 1000. And in Japanese, it is a sen, sen. So, we start counting in Malay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100, 1000. Now, join me counting them in Japanese. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go, roku, nana, hachi, kyu, jiu, hyaku, sen. For number that over than 10, in Malay, we use belas, belas. But in Japanese, we use 10 and add the next number to count from 11 until 19. So for example, in Malay, we use to say this is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. But in Japanese, we say 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 16. This one is 15, 17, 18, Q. Next, when we count over than 20 in Malay and Japan, we use the same counting system. For example, here we say the number plus 10 plus number. So for example, in Malay, just now I teach you 10 as 10, right? In Malay, we often use se to say number 1. For example, 10. But in this case, we only use 10 to say for number that is 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. If I want to say 70, 70, 80. Lastly, 90 in Malay language, we say 90. Right? And then also same with Japanese, we say number plus 10 plus number. For example, 10, 20. For 30, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80. For 90, 90. Similar, right? How about 100? For 100 in Malay, we say 100. But for more than 100, we say ratus only. For example, 200, 300, 400, 500. For 600, we say roku, not roku. Roku is Japanese. 600, 700, 800, 900, we say 900. Yeah! Next, for Japanese, we also use the same counting system. For example, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay? If you notice, I say 300, 600, and 800 differently, right? That's because when we connect those three numbers with kanji 400, they change the sound. Next, if we want to say 1000, okay, for 1000, we also use the same counting system. For example, for 1000, we say 1000 in Malay. But for 2000, we use 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000. For 7000, we say 7000. For 8000, we say 8000. For 9000 in Malay, we say 9000. Easy, right? How about in Japanese? In Japanese, 1000 is sen. For 2000, we use the same counting system. Ni sen, 3, zen, 4, sen. 5,000 in Japanese is go, sen. 600, rokusen, rokuzen, rokusen. Which one is the correct one? How about 7,000? 7,000 is nana sen. 8,000 we say hasen. 9,000 in Japanese is kyusen. Yeah. Okay, now we finish counting number in Japanese and Malay language. Next, we practice. Wait. So for example, if I want to say 17 in Malay, I would say 17. That one is Japanese. But in Malay, I would say 7, 17. If I say 172 in Malay, I would say 172. And in Japanese, I will say 172. How about this number? In Malay, I would say 999. In Japanese, I would say 999. Easy, right? Next is 1,000. 1,999. I would say in Malay 1,999. In Japanese, I would say 1,999. How about I want to say 554. Oh no, my head. So in Malay, I would say 50 silap. 554. In Japanese, I would say 554. So next, when you go outside, you can practice already counting. I hope when you see outside price, you can practice already how to say it in Malay or Japanese. For example, in Malay we will say ini, for example, oren. Ini oren 170 ringgit. Sebagai contoh. That's how we say in Malay. If in Japanese, I would say このみかんは Mikan is orange. Or in English, orange. And in Malay, we call it oren. Kore mikan wa price here desu. Kono mikan wa 172 ringgit desu. Yeah, now you can practice already. When you go outside, you look at the price, you practice how to say this number. So that's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned a lot, and if you enjoy this video, please share, like, and comment my video to help me reach my goal in the future. I hope in the future I get to share my lessons to a lot more students. Okay? See you in the next video. Bye bye. Mata ne.